If Schedule Buy is crashing on your PC through Steam, here are 6 simple solutions you can try. Follow these steps one by one. Step 1. Verify game files. 1. Open Steam and go to your library. 2. Right-click on Schedule I and select Properties. 3. Go to the Local Files tab. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 5. Wait for Steam to check and fix any issues. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. 1. Go to the website for your graphics card, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. 2. Download and install the latest drivers. Step 3. Restart your PC. Step 3. Adjust launch options. 1. In Steam, right-click the game and choose Properties. 2. Under Launch Options, type -dia X11 or -dia X12. 3. Close the window and try launching the game. Step 4. Run as Administrator and Compatibility Mode 1. Go to the folder where the game is installed. 2. Right-click the game's .exe file and select Properties. 3. Click the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. 5. You can also try enabling compatibility mode for Windows 7 or 8. Step 5. Disable overlays and background apps. 1. In Steam, go to Settings, then In-Game. 2. Uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. 3. Close apps like Discord, GeForce Experience, and MSI Afterburner. 4. Open Task Manager and disable unnecessary startup programs. Step 6. Increase virtual memory. 1. Open Control Panel, then System. Click Advanced System Settings. 3. Under Performance, click Settings. 4. Go to the Advanced tab and click Change under Virtual Memory. 5. Set initial size to 1.5 times your RAM. 6. Set maximum size to 3 times your RAM. 7. Click OK and restart your computer.